The Hindu newspaper shortened dictation, total words 500, speed 100 word per minute. Start. Some things are better kept for later during a pandemic, and public worship is certainly one of them. When epidemiologists were recently polled in the US on when they would think of attending religious service, 43% of about 200 respondents said they would consider that in 3 months to a year, and an equal number said not for 1 year. Their caution on mass religious gatherings which do not lend themselves to physical distancing and have a history of amplifying the COVID-19 pandemic in more than one country should sober down governments that are keen to open religious places early in the unlock phase, even with online registration, e-passes, distance marking and use of personal protective equipment by staff. Gatherings in confined spaces no against the grain of infection prevention principles. It is heartening that some temple boards, churches and Islamic religious bodies have wisely decided to remain closed. As among the top 5 virus-affected nations, India cannot afford to create conditions that lead to mass transmission. The priority today is to refloat a crippled economy safely while postponing all optional activities to a time when there is better disease control and prevention and treatment courses are available. The compulsion to unlock when infections have not peaked has already placed the onus of remaining safe on people, a significant section of whom have health vulnerabilities such as diabetes. Going by ICMR-linked studies, the disease burden for diabetes alone has grown 80% since 1990, highlighting the enormous risk of virus exposure. Millions of such citizens now face aggravated community transmission. Para. After pursuing a lockdown strategy that had low impact on the infection curve but many negative outcomes, India needs to draw up its unlock priorities carefully. It must show the political will to enforce norms on public behavior such as mask wearing and physical distancing. Yet the scenes from many cities coming out of lockdown, including hard-hit ones such as Mumbai, show anxious crowding in many situations, including on public transport. Night curfews are weakly enforced. This is worrying considering the limited medical capacity that exists to care for a large number who might suffer the worst effect of COVID-19. Getting unlocking wrong could mean an explosion of cases, which WHO has warned remains a possibility in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. National policy should not put the cart before the horse by prioritizing activities such as worship at public places. All available resources must be devoted towards productive and essential work. The central has to also explain what it is doing to assess the prevalence of infection at the community level at a suitable scale, which is crucial to identify focus areas and decide to course of further unlock phases. Delhi is testing more than the national average for per million population, but that does not say much given that it has a population density 30 times the national figure. Delhi needs to get its act together. Stop. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।